Today we are going to be making some fairy dust because we are doing fairy tales this week for a sensory writing tray. So what you're going to need is just some regular table salt and some food coloring to start out. So all you need to do is you're going to drop a few drops of food coloring in the bag. We decided to do pink today. Then you're just going to mix it up really good to where your sand or your salt is going to turn pink. All right, once it's all mixed up in the bag, you can go ahead and add some glitter to add some sparkle and some magic to it. If you have added a little bit too much food coloring, you can lay your salt out on a table, on a baking sheet to dry. All you're going to do is just add some glitter to it and mix it up. All right, next you're going to go ahead and pour it into your tray. I'm going to go ahead and use a paintbrush to do some sensory play. That way I don't get glitter all over my hands. So you can have your kiddos practice writing letters. You can have them practice writing their names, their numbers. And that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed this activity. We'll see you soon. Thank you.